Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and it is strawberry season, so I decided let's go pick some fresh strawberries, and then we're gonna go back to the kitchen and we're gonna make something absolutely amazing. So let's go picking. Yummy strawberries. All right, let's go home and find us an awesome recipe and make something with strawberries. Hey guys, it's Becki-licious here, and I am just back from the strawberry fields where we picked our fresh strawberries. So I'm going to show you how to make a fun homemade strawberry mini pies. So let's get started. I hope you stay till the end of the video so I can show you how to make these tasty mini strawberry pies. Okay, the first step for these strawberry mini pies is we're going to get the strawberry mixture all ready. So I've already cut up some of these fresh strawberries that we just got. So we're going to throw these all in a bowl. We want those all in there. And then we're going to add a little bit of sugar and put a little bit of flour in there and then some lemon juice. And we're just going to get this all mixed up, and then we're going to let this sit for a little bit while we're dealing with our crusts, okay? All right, for the crusts for these mini strawberry pies, I'm just using your store-bought regular pie crust because it's super simple. You can also kind of do it however. I'm going to use I have a bundt pan as opposed to a cupcake pan. You could use either or. I just thought this might look a little bit fancier. So we're just going to take this and we're going to go ahead and get this rolled out. And then I'm going to show you the next step. All right, I've got this rolled out to about the thickness that I want. And I'm going to use my bowl here. This is going to be about a 5-inch circle. And that's going to give me just enough to have mini pies, but not too much to where you feel like you're having too much. See? Perfect. And there you go. Perfect little circle. So like I said, I'm going to use this mini bundt pan as opposed to a cupcake tin. You could use it either or. But I've got this all nice and greased up because we don't want this to stick, obviously. So we're just going to very carefully get this all shaped because we don't want any holes. But like I said, I wanted it to go along this nicely because I want to have this shape in it. I think it'll be super cute when we're done. So there you go. So, all right. So I'm going to get my next one rolled out. But before I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And, click on the link me for some other fun stuff. I got my pie crusts all ready. They're going to go in the oven, 425, for just about 5 minutes or so. We just want them to get a little bit browned up before we put in that yummy strawberry mixture. So I'll catch you back here in a minute. Pie crusts have only been in for about 6 or 7 minutes. So we're going to pull them out because they're going to be going back in with the stuff. So I'm going to let these cool for just a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to turn them over and we're going to put the stuffing in them and throw them back in the oven. Turn my oven down to 400, and now we are going to get this yummy strawberry mixture that we made earlier. Look at how amazing that looks. And then we're going to fill up our cute little pie crusts that we made, which I brushed with a little bit of butter as well, melted butter, just because we want to help them brown up and be nice and yummy. So I'm going to get these all filled up, and then we will be throwing these in the oven. Our mini strawberry pies are going to go in the oven for about 10 or 15 minutes, okay? And hopefully they will be ready to eat. All right, these pies are ready. Oh. Little mini strawberry pies. Yum! Our mini strawberry pies are ready. All they need is their whipped cream. Look at that. How adorable are those? Looky there. I am so ready to eat these. There you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen today. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves because I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. If you enjoyed this video, click on this one.